If you're having unengaging listing presentations, it usually means a few things. One, you probably haven't organized all decision makers to be at the listing appointment. Now that is a complete waste of time. Why would you pitch to just one of potentially 2 or 3 decision makers? It just doesn't make sense. Another reason might be that you're sitting very casually in the lounge area and you're quite a long way away from the clients and you're sitting back in a very comfortable chair. They're doing the same thing and there could be kids running around. Listing appointment, it should be as close to a business meeting as possible. So that should be at a dining table, kitchen table, where you can talk, look the clients directly in the eye, repeat their names, show them materials, and also engage with them closely around what your strategy is to build confidence. The other reason, you haven't advised the owner of how long the listing meeting is going to be for. So the owner might have in mind that a listing meeting might only go for 10 or 15 minutes. Sure, a market appraisal or price update might do that, but that's why it's so important to have that pre-qualifying conversation on the phone prior to the listing to ensure that you can differentiate between a price check or a listing appointment. Now, if it's a listing appointment, you need to let the owners know it could be up to 90 minutes, because if you're serious about meeting a stranger and walking away with a legal document signed, the keys to their house, and a marketing check for $5,000 or $10,000, let me tell you, you're going to need 90 minutes.